Hi, welcome to another episode of Trini Bites. Today I'm going to make plain old shark and bake, or bacon shark. Doesn't matter how you call it. This one doesn't have any pineapple or any other condiments to eat, just plain old shark and bake. I washed this 3 times and I cut it into pieces. I wash it with lime and flour just to get the little fresh smell out of it. And you can cut it in chunks like this or smaller pieces, it doesn't matter. It's all going to fry up anyway. So what I'm going to do to season it, not no big seasoning, it's just the onion, bandanya, garlic and a pepper. I also have some black pepper, which is 1 tablespoon, some bandanya, that is for to season the flour. And I have salt, 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. In here, this is the seasoning for the flour. I have 1 tablespoon of paprika, black pepper, 1 tablespoon and 1 tablespoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of garlic salt as well. This is for the flour, so I can season it. So I'm going to blend up the seasoning. Little blender here.
So what is his language?
Thank you.
All my friends here. My son and my good friend Mohan waiting for shark and bake. Or bacon shark again. Blend this up. Ooh, smell that. Put the black pepper in. Paprika. Soy sauce. And the salt. So let's mix them up. It's going to marinate for 2 hours, so all the juice from the seasoning will get inside of the fish. And then I'll start frying it with another process. So I'm going to season the flour to fry the shark. As I said before, this is the seasoning I had. Throw it in there. Mix them up. And what I do, I chip up some bandanya as well. So I add the bandanya with it. You can also put a string of thyme if you want, but I ran out of time today. You get it? I ran out of time. Right. Okay, it's time to batter the shark. So this is first piece. It's time to get this thing going. I believe you gotta put some oil so you can cover the meat with the fish so you can fry properly. So the first set is fried. Actually, I have it there for 8 minutes. So, beautiful and golden brown. So this is the end product. The shark, the bake that my wife Sita made. Nice round break. And as I said before, I don't like too much condiments in the shark and bake. It's just the tomatoes, cucumber, lettuce, and the pepper sauce. and ketchup, so you can get a real taste of the shark. Put some cucumber in it. Tomato. I put the pepper sauce in it. I like the Trinidad Matuks pepper sauce. It gives a nice flavor. 1 piece of lettuce. And the first bite. This is good. Try this recipe and you will enjoy it. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.